What is up, guys? We smacked TPs on ES and NQ today. Only $140. How did I make so little with 2 trades? Let's get into it. Okay, so we're back using Notion again, and let's just go over ES1, March 20th, 2025. Bullish. This was the trade. Okay, see NQ on the left, ES on the right. Now let's go back to this. Felt confident. We had unemployment at 8:30. It was a win, $70. The other one was $70 as well. Fair value gap was our point of interest. Risk 0.1%. Hold up. 0.2%. It's 50k. Risk to reward, all 3 TPs. Only hit the first one. Something happened, and instead of closing out at $100, it was $70. So, by the way, market is so back, baby. Oh my god. March 20, 2025, bullish. Same shit. You've seen it here. Blah, 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 blah. This was 0.4%. And somehow, still, only $70. I don't understand. Oh yes, because we had multiple contracts and we had multiple TPs, so we didn't sell half when we hit the TPs. We sold like 1 or 2. It was actually one contract on both. And blah blah blah. Let's get into price action. As we can see here, $138 on the day. Account balance about break even. Okay, look at this. This is, oh my god, this is pristine price action, and I fucking missed it. Oh my god, I missed this. So we had a setup right here that we did not take, and we're going to get into why we didn't take this in a second. So we're going to start off with a bias. As we can see, this is for ES. We were in an uptrend on the, oh my god, on the 4 hour. I didn't even see this until now. We respected this 4 hour fair value gap, which is crazy because like 10 minutes before this candle closed, we were like all the way down here. We just dicked the fuck up to save that fair value gap. And we're going to go into how we did this, guys. Okay, so we had a 4 hour fair value gap down here. And uptrend, 1 hour. We broke structure at 10. This is why we didn't take that earlier trade. Because price was already up here when it broke structure, which we could then go down to the 5 minute. So, was in a downtrend, broke structure to the upside, became an uptrend after 10. And this was the 4 hour fair value gap, which was also an hourly fair value gap right here that stretches across, but it did not mark out. Let's go into this. 10 o'clock came right here. And that's when the hourly broke structure. 5 minute obviously already broke structure all the way down here. We touched into this breaker block right here. Close out bullish. And it is just luck. If we had, well, actually, breaker blocks are meant to be pushed through, but I would have put my stops down here because I was very risky, very safe today. First TP would have been a 2.61. Second TP would have been a 3-1. So that is absolutely irrelevant because we didn't break structure up here on the 1 hour. And then we created this 5 minute fair value gap. My TP was the top of these relative equal hourly highs. I just knew market was going to sweep all 3 of these highs in one move. I genuinely called this out to Omar. I was like, no, bro, don't. I was like, don't have TPs here. It's going to absolutely dick straight through them in one candle. I promise you. Low resistance liquidity, relative equal highs. Just, it's a magnet. Didn't quite hit second TP before getting stopped out, but we had this 5 minute fair value gap that we touched into. We scaled down to the 1 minute for a break of structure, which we got right here on this candle closing very bullish out. I entered off this, but I did a limit order, which was my mistake. So market came up and then didn't enter me till here, but it was the same price, and I had stops just below these 1 minute lows. And first TP was a 1-to-1. It was actually a 1-to-1 because I think this was that down there? I don't know. 1-to-1, hit it, closed out, almost got stopped out. Came back up. Almost got stopped out. Okay, you see here we got stopped out. And that was the ES trade. That's how we made $70 on this. We're just going to remove the drawings because... Oh, shit. I have to manually do this. Not so bad. And then let's jump over to NQ. Which, one thing I also forgot to mention, and I will show you now, because it hadn't happened on the 4-hourly, but it did happen on the hourly. We had a SMT at these lows. If I can just pull up the other chart real quick. 1 hour. As you can see, did not quite take out these lows. Bullish SMT, bullish SMT. Okay, now let's go back into NQ. And whether or not we had an entry at all, we did not. So we 5-minute broke structure right here. Let me just get full screen for you. This fair value gap didn't do anything. This fair value gap did. Loki would have liked this, but we were all the way up here with 1 hour broke structure. Doubt we were going to come all the way down with that much selling power just to come all the way back up with that much buying power. So I did like this reaction that the first fair value gap got closed out bullish. Exactly the same on NQ as ES. We set a limit. Idiot. It came down. It touched it. It brought me in. Stops were below this low. TP1 was a 1-to-1. And TP2 was a 2.4-to-1. And we touched it and got stopped out break even to a T, man. Like, this was my entry right here. To a tick. Stopped out. But it doesn't matter because we didn't touch any other TPs and we would have got stopped out anyway. So, that's how we made 140 today. And just, bro, the shape of market. I have missed the absolute W market makes. Like, oh my god, man. We are so back. We are so fucking back. Oh. I love it. I love it. I live for this. We've had months of horrendous price action. I genuinely lost faith last night. If you watch my backtest session. Lost faith last night. And I almost had a breakdown. And I had to go back to basics, back to ground one. I went back to TJR's mastermind videos, wrote down the strategy, relearned it all, and I backtested for hours until 4 in the fucking morning. And was profitable on backtest and profitable in the market. So, God bless TJR, God bless trading, God bless the market, God bless Q2, God bless me, God bless you guys, and God bless life. I love yous.